Swappable battery electric trucks in India are a very promising concept, but they are still in a nascent stage of development. The idea is to allow electric trucks to quickly exchange a depleted battery pack for a fully charged one at a swapping station, instead of waiting for a long time to recharge. This is a potential game changer for the commercial vehicle sector in India. Here's a breakdown of what swappable battery electric trucks are, what the situation is in India, and the key factors at play. What a swappable battery electric truck is. A swappable battery electric truck is an EV where the battery is not permanently fixed to the vehicle. Instead, it is designed to be easily removed and replaced. The process of swapping a battery is much faster than charging, often taking just a few minutes, which is comparable to a diesel refueling stop. This technology addresses two of the biggest challenges for EV adoption in the commercial sector. Long charging times. For a fleet of trucks, every minute of downtime is a loss of revenue. Waiting hours to charge a large battery pack is a major deterrent. High upfront cost. The battery is the most expensive component of an EV. By separating the battery from the truck, a battery as a service (BaaS) model can be offered. The truck owner buys the vehicle without the battery and then pays a subscription or per swap fee for the battery, significantly lowering the initial purchase price. Swappable battery technology in India. India has a lot of potential for swappable battery technology, and there are several companies and initiatives working on this. Government push. The Indian government has shown strong support for battery swapping. The Ministry of Power has issued guidelines to promote battery as a service and develop a robust battery swapping ecosystem. This includes making it a de-licensed activity to simplify the process of setting up swapping stations. Companies and partnerships. Several Indian companies are actively developing and deploying swappable battery solutions, especially for smaller vehicles like 2 and 3-wheelers. For heavy commercial vehicles, companies like SUN Mobility and Veera Vahana have showcased modular battery swap systems for trucks and buses, aiming to reduce operational costs and increase uptime. Advantages. For India's large and growing logistics sector, swappable batteries can offer immense benefits. They can reduce fleet downtime, lower the total cost of ownership, and alleviate range anxiety for long-haul routes. Challenges and future outlook. While the concept is promising, there are significant hurdles to overcome in India, particularly for heavy-duty trucks. Standardization. This is the single biggest challenge. There is a lack of a unified technical standard for batteries and swapping systems. Without interoperability, a swapping station for one brand of truck will not work for another. This creates a chicken and egg situation where companies are hesitant to invest heavily in a non-standardized infrastructure, and fleet owners are hesitant to buy vehicles that are tied to a single swapping network. Infrastructure. Setting up a dense network of automated battery swapping stations across the country, especially on major highways, requires a massive investment in land, equipment, and a stable grid. Logistics and management. Managing a large inventory of batteries, ensuring they are all charged and ready, and transporting them to different stations is a complex logistical challenge. There are also concerns about battery health, safety, and potential malpractices. Heavy-duty requirements. The batteries for a 40-ton truck are enormous and heavy. The swapping mechanism for such a large and heavy object is much more complex and expensive than for a scooter or a small van. In conclusion, the swappable battery electric truck is a concept that holds great promise for India's commercial vehicle sector. It has the potential to solve critical issues like long charging times and high upfront costs. The Indian government is actively supporting this technology, and some companies are making headway. However, for it to achieve widespread adoption, key challenges like standardization, large-scale infrastructure development, and logistical complexities must be addressed.